Hello, my name is Rose and I bought some supplies from two companies and this is worth $400. Just two packages and there's just a small amount of supplies I needed for my dream catchers. So, like everybody else is doing in the world, I am going to unbox my supplies and I can't wait because it's always like exciting to open up a box. Okay, so this one here is from 6 Nations, and there. I just wanted to double check. Open this up. In my mind, I visualized this huge box, but it just came like a little box like this. Okay, here we go. Okie dokies. Oh boys, come on. Oh, just have to tape on here. Oh boys, I hope you guys can see this. Wow, I'm just gonna put this on the side right here. Okay. Get some newspaper. Oh, here's a little booklet they said they were going to put in my box of all the supplies they have in their store. A little catalog. Oh, this is what I wanted. These are feathers. I ran out of feathers and I need some desperately. Oh boys. Just wanted to show you. I'm trying not to rip the whole bag open because I need to use this again. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh wow, it's bigger than I thought. There we go. A string of feathers. Oh wow. Yep. Oh, it looks really nice. The colors are nice too. I gotta put this back in the bag before it's everywheres. Oh no. Okay, I'll just lay it on top right here and I'll fix it up after. My other one is, those are rooster feathers and these are goose feathers. And they are all perfectly shaped and uniform and very nice. So I ordered 2 sets of feathers. That's it. Okay, cardboard. I don't know if you can see this, but look, I'm gonna try to show it to you. There we go. So I ran out of gold beads. The beads, I probably only have like 5 left. So this is gold. And I just have a little bit of silver left. Silver, gold silver. And I went with the 4 colors because I ran out, like starting to run out of just the basic colors. White, yellow, red, and black. All the beads here. Hopefully you can see. And then I went, that's for the hanging your feathers on. And then the webbing, I got the same colors too. And this is the exact same, that's the size I needed. I was worried like if I ordered too small or too big, and these are the perfect size. White, yellow, red, and black. Yeah, they're all the perfect size and the perfect colors. Like just a solid white, solid yellow, solid red, solid black. Oh, this. Oh, it's a big roll, a sinew, a white one. And a brown one, a natural color, sinew. And, okay. I needed to make some moon dream catchers, so this is the perfect size. Sometimes you order online and if I went off by an inch, and then I'm like, oh, so this is perfect for my moon dream catchers. So this, I think this is a size 9, this is a size 5. I just ordered 10 of each for now. Yeah. 1, 2, I think there's around 10 in here. And that's it for this box. Oh, empty. Package up really, really nice. I'll put that down below. I'll take all the paper, put it down here, and the cardboard. Push this on the side. Hopefully you guys can see this. So, yeah, so that was like, I guess $200, and in here is $200. It came out, yeah, like $400 in total. So this is a $200 package. So this is from Quebec, a craft store in Quebec. Trying to make sure I don't cut anything I have in here. Yay. That's it. So I'll double check. There's nothing else in here. I'll just put it on the side. Bubble wrap. I ran out of white leather. Of all the leather I have, I ran out of white. Oh wow. There's nothing in here. I love this. I'm gonna bust all that later. So this is this little bag. I ordered I say little because you don't know how big it will be. So this is like $100 worth of leather. Just this little bag here. It's already cut up. I usually cut my own leather up, but I'm just running out of supplies, and I needed leather, so this is here. Whoa, yay! Oh wow, look at this. Okay, I'm assuming this is the end here. Whoa, look at that! Oh my goodness! Yay! Okay. So this is one length here. So this is the end or the beginning, the middle, and the other end of white leather. I think this is so one side is like the nice smooth side, and the bottom side is rough. Okay, what's nice about this is it's already cut up for you. But the thing is that it's only like so long. So if I do big dream catchers, I like to have one piece all the way around through my whole dream catcher. But you can manage. It's just me. Because I have so much leather, everything I have to cut by hand. But just ran out of white because everybody wanted the moon dream catchers. Oh, here we go. There's some stuff here. And believe it or not, this is 25 rings. And I needed a size 8. And my next order is coming up because it has to be a certain size to make it look nice. So this is our size 25 pieces, and I think it's a size 8. That's what I ordered. So this, and now this little package. At Christmas time, I ran out of all my earrings I make for the Dreamcatcher earrings, and the pendants, the feather pendants. I ran out of all those here. Everything, I ran out of everything, and I'm hoping the pendants is, I hope it looks nice. I'm really hoping. And I also like the jump ring hoop when you're connecting the hoop and the feather to the hoop, there's a little ring called jump ring, and I ordered some online. It was the wrong size before Christmas and I couldn't use it. I could, but it's not gonna be secured enough for me. So when I order something online, I'm hoping it's the right size, and I'm just looking at this, I already can tell this is the right size. I ordered before it was 4 millimeters, and then I needed 6 millimeters, and look, this is it. And they're exactly what I wanted. So I got a lot. Wow. So these are, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I've been buying at Walmart, but Walmart had little tiny ones, medium-sized ones, and big ones, and I only can use like, maybe can make 5 earrings with it. And then there were some other ones with coils of like little rings, and I didn't want those. I wanted those, it's called jump rings. So it's a little hoop, and you open with your pliers, and you close or overlap to secure your pendant. So I ordered a pack. I ran out of these. I ordered a pack of earring hoops for my Dreamcatcher earrings. I'm going to try to see if I can show this to you. Here. It's a hoop here. You put it on, make Dreamcatcher earrings, so it goes right here. And you put your connector on. And these are the nice ones. I want to keep this code, because the last time I ordered these were a long time ago. And these are nice. I might just, and I'll do a little close-up of everything in a second. So these are the feather pendants. It's a bag of it. So yeah, that is cool. I don't know if you can see it, you know what I mean? With the connector. I don't know if you can see that good or not. Oh, yeah. So I ran out of this. I ran out of this. I ran out of those size rings. I ran out of white leather. I ran out of I had these feathers. I ran out of the last feather. Maybe I have 2. I can't even make a dream catcher. But like 2 small ones I'm talking about. And I only have, oh my God, I think I only have like just a couple. Ran out of all my feathers. So I really needed this. And I ran out of gold. Like I had at Christmas time I had to go, I ran out of white and I had to get one for my sister. Yeah, so I was running low on everything. So it's time to start some orders. I have a couple to do, and I'll take a close-up of everything. I'll lay it out nice and you can see what I ordered. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.